afternoon, hope you're right. In today's video I'm gonna talk about my zinnia plants. I started these zinnia plants at the end of July, and according to seed pack instructions they must have been sown before July, so their sowing season is like from April to July. I started them late, but they still have made it, and as you can see they have grown nice and tall, almost 3 foot tall, and they are having lots of buds and lots of blooms and all those pretty colors, pink and this peach one, red one, and this is the most mature flower on these plants. As you can see, it has lots of petals and some are just started to open, so I'm really happy with how they are looking now. So to start with, I had 8 to 9 plants in this 10-gallon pot, but I lost 2 to 3 plants as they were like nice healthy seedlings, but the next day they kind of fall at the ground level, and that's due to damping off. Basically, when they get lots of water, the soil is poor draining or overwatering, it causes the seedlings to damp off basically, or to die all of a sudden. So I lost 2 to 3 seedlings like that, and then I looked into this problem and found out that the soil is poor draining. So I amended this soil with compost, and now you can see it has really made the difference. They are nice and tall, full of blooms, really pretty, and their leaves are really pretty too. As you can see, they are like in pads and really shiny green color. They're kind of rough, but like they really stand out. These shiny dark green leaves, they really go well with these bright colors of pink, red and peach. So they are really pretty plants, and they're easy to grow as well. So once you figure out that you need soil which is like good draining soil and for nutrients and fertilizers, you don't need to water them too much. They grow really well. This is like a spot where they mostly get afternoon sun, so they need sun. So this area gets afternoon sun, which is kind of harsh, but they are really okay with it. And I don't really water them too much, and fertilizer once a week, or sometimes like after 2 weeks, and they are doing really well. So I'm really happy with the progress of these plants, and I'm hoping to grow more of them in the borders next year. So you can put them in border somewhere in the middle of the border, because they grow like 3 to 4 foot tall, so they will go really well with some high shrubs and some low plants in the middle of border. Really bright colors, really pretty plants. So hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up.